ahead.
Yes, Rob.
Go ahead.
Yes. In this week's Parashat, where it talks about Noah walked with God, and I'm reading here. I read last night. I was reading out of the Rashi.
Mm-hmm.
It talked about Noah walking with God, but it says regarding Abraham, it says walk before me. Can you maybe explain or a little bit?
Okay, all right. So Noach walks with Hashem, meaning that he was not sure so much about he's doing right, he's doing wrong, like what's going on. Like everybody is doing opposite. Maybe I should be like them, and he was constantly in need of the encouragement. So that's what it means, walk with God. He was, as Hashem testified, he was a righteous man. There is no question about it. He's, as it says, Noach was a righteous man in his generation. Right, so quickly, right, so our sages say, is it compliment or it's a derogatory statement? Right, if it's compliment, so meaning he was righteous man, all of them were wicked, and even in this generation of the wicked people, he was a righteous man. So it is a compliment. Everybody wicked, he's righteous. But the other sages, so no, it's actually, it's not compliment, it's opposite. How is it opposite? So yeah, in this generation, yeah, of course he was a tzaddik, but in generation of Avraham Avinu, he was would not be such a great guy, like average, right? Even below the average, right? Of course, we compare to students of Avraham Avinu, not all of the other idol worshippers of the time. But Avraham Avinu, he was before God, so Hashem was like behind him, right? In double quotes, like watching him. So he knew what must be done. So one time, like there are different kinds of people. So one person heard truth one time. He said, "This is the truth. That's what I have to do." And how long is it going to take? It's going to take me as long as it's going to take me. But I know what to do, and he proceeds. You understand? Other people, they constantly they checking, like, looking behind, ask the question, "Am I doing right?" Yeah, you're doing right. You asked me yesterday. That's just continue doing. I'm not sure. Some people ask like question. I don't know what they expect of me. I mean, you pray yesterday. You continue praying. Like as I said. To some people, so they cannot accept the whole prayer of Shacharis at one time. It's too long. Okay, no problem. No problem. We don't argue. So I told them just add the little pieces, whatever you can, and I told them the priority. And once a month, 1 and 2 months, whatever your ability is, just add the next piece, and then. In a year, or I don't know how long you're going to build up, and you're going to go with the whole shacharis. There is no problem. But some people like ask questions again and again and again about Shach. Yeah, you asked me. I told you. So that's Noach. So he had all of the doubts, even though Hashem told. Like if Hashem told you, like what doubts you have. But Abraham, right? So he had Hashem in whatever it means, had to hold his hand and walk with him, right? Like next to it. So he would turn his, Hashem is here. Okay, all right, no problem. But Abraham, he knew Hashem is there. Hashem is everywhere. So I'm going to go straight and teach people Torah and do what I need to do. So that's the difference between Noach and Abraham. And this flood in our rabbinical literature is called the waters of Noach, right? So I'll say the waters of Noach. Noach is, as Hashem said, he's the only person who survived. He's a good guy. He's a positive character. Like why you blaming all of this waters flood of Noach? He said, yeah, because he did not pray enough for his generations. He did not do enough Kiruv in his days. That's why they blame this water on him. like if somebody, so same concept with us, just so we know, right? So nobody, Hashem does not expect anything from people who are not religious, who think they came from the monkeys. He would not be angry with them as much as with religious people who know Hashem, who are trying to be close, right? Because he expects much more from us. You understand? So that's a scary lesson from Noach. Words of Noach, right? You are righteous, yes, but you're not doing enough. Okay, that's the difference between Abraham walked before Hashem and Noach walked with Hashem.